Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I'm Karpaha. My topic is institutionalistic fuzzy hybrid data mining MAGDM approach using correlated aggregation for solving complex decision problems. I have done this work under the guidance of Dr. P. John Robinson, Assistant Professor, Bishop Heber College, Tamil Nadu, India. Next. Abstract. In this work, new method is analyzed and developed for solving MAGDM problems. Here, the decision-making process is done by Cockworth integral operator with institutionalistic fuzzy ordered weighted averaging operators. It increases the ordering preference of decision alternatives involved, by which we get the better alternative. And in this work, we are going to discuss the data mining algorithm, which is used to eliminate the unimportant alternatives from the process. Finally, the numerical example is also given. Next, ma'am. Initially, the basic definitions of institutionalistic fuzzy set and institutionalistic fuzzy number are given. Next, ma'am. This definition of score function and accuracy function are given. Score function is difference between the membership and non-membership, and accuracy function is a sum of membership and non-membership. Next, ma'am. Next, the definition of interval-valued institutionalistic fuzzy set is given by using the arithmetic operators of Einstein product and Einstein sum. Next. Next, the definition is given that how the institutionalistic fuzzy Einstein correlated geometric operator is defined. It is denoted as the Cockworth integral operator. It is defined for the collection of institutionalistic fuzzy value with respect to the membership. Next, ma'am. That IFECG operator satisfies these properties, that is idempotency, boundedness, monotonicity, commutative properties. These properties are satisfied by that operator. Next, ma'am. Next, evaluating the real-life teaching effectiveness is based on the new operator we define. The assumptions are given, that is A for alternatives, Z for attributes, omega for weight vectors, R tilde is for decision matrix. These assumptions are used to represent the problems for evaluating based on the IFECG operator. Next, Next, we are going to see the algorithm for evaluating the problems. In step 1, we are determining the fuzzy measure of attributes and attribute sets, which is fixed by the decision maker. And in step 2, evaluate using IFCGM operator. Actually, it is used to reduce the matrix from M by N matrix to a column matrix. And at the end, the overall preference values of the alternative is computed. And in step 3, score measure and accuracy measures are calculated. In step 4, according to the measure values, we can rank the alternatives and find the best alternative. Next one. Next, algorithm for data mining. In step 5, the fuzzy support value is computed. In 5.1, we are going to construct the set L1. The elements of L1 should satisfy the property that the fuzzy support value of that particular element should be greater than or equal to the score measures. In 5.2, we have to create a set called C2. It is created by the correlation of elements of L1 with L1. And in 5.3, initially we are computing the trapezoidal institutionalistic fuzzy correlation coefficient between FA and FB. It is denoted as K of FA comma FB. It is computed. And next, we are calculating the median value. It is denoted as a threshold here. That K med is denoted as a threshold here. And the values which are greater than the threshold, that is median, are taken to the next level. Next one. Again, we are going to create another set called L2. Similarly, L1 in 5.1, here we are creating L2. And in 5.5, we are creating CK by the correlation of elements of LK minus 1 with LK. That is, initially we are creating L1 and using that elements, we are creating C2 and making some threshold, and we are eliminating some elements. With the help of the remaining elements, we are creating L2. With that, we are creating C3. And again, we are going to make some threshold and we are eliminating some elements. With the help of the remaining elements, we are going to create L3. So it acts like a loop. Like this, the correlation process has been done in all the possible ways. We can able to notice that after computing each step, the number of elements are reducing. That is, we are compressing the number of elements using the threshold. At some point, no elements are available for further correlation process. At that time, this loop will be stopped. In 5.6, at this particular level, the set with the highest correlation can be ranked. This is how the data mining algorithm works. Next one. The numerical illustration in which we have to evaluate the best teacher among the 5 teachers with the help of 4 attributes that is given as G1, G2, G3 and G4 here, and the teachers are denoted as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5, and the institutionalistic fuzzy information by the decision maker under the 4 attributes is listed in this matrix. Next, ma'am. In step 1, attribute sets of G is given, it is determined by the decision maker. In step 2, by using the above values and IFECG operator, we can evaluate the preference values of the teachers. And in this step, the previous 5x4 matrix is reduced to a column matrix. Next slide. The reduction of the matrix can be seen in the left side of the slide. So that R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 values are the values of column matrix. And in step 3, for each Ri value, we have to calculate the score measure. In step 4, arrange the alternatives in descending order corresponding to the score measure we find in the previous step. The highest score measure alternative is treated as a best alternative. According to our problem, the most desirable teaching effectiveness of pi teacher is A2. A2 is the best alternative. And in step 5, the data mining algorithm is used to eliminate the unimportant alternatives. For this example, A1 and A3 are eliminated. This eliminating process helps to find the best alternative. Next one. In conclusion, MAGDM problem is evaluated by the Cockworth integral operator with the institutionalistic fuzzy ordered weighted averaging operators, and especially data mining algorithm is used to eliminate the unimportant alternatives and gives the best alternative. At last, the numerical example is discussed for better understanding and showing the effectiveness of the proposed method. Next, ma'am. These are my references. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot for your presentation about application of intuitionistic fuzzy set in data mining for evaluating the performance teaching. So if there is some question, we can continue.